guess we get to talk about the elephant in the room. This is gonna be so fun. So this 350Z is just pretty much going to be put on the back burner for now. I have a new Z that I kind of want to focus on, make it much easier to work on and get up and running. This 350Z is the new project that I'm going to be mainly focusing on. It's got its good stuff, it's got its bad stuff, but we're gonna work all those kinks out together. More so, I'm excited to get this chassis up and running. But in order to get that car running, as I try to navigate through this, take a look. I have to get through all of these parts that I actually have for this car. I have to get to wrenching on it. All of the parts are kind of just stacked here, some right in here in front of us, and more stuff back here. And pretty much you guys get the picture. It is a mess in the shop, Z parts everywhere, and I honestly don't even know or even have the slightest clue on how we're going to tackle all of this. Off camera, basically been doing little stuff to it within the last day, because I've only had it for like 2 days now. But I'm actually swapping out the interior because I had a much cleaner interior than what came in this car. You'll see it when you see it. Okay, so first order of business. It's mold, and more importantly, it's gotta go. Okay, so a lot of people actually don't know how to do what I'm about to do next. The whole process of taking apart this interior, I wanna get this moldy chair out. We've seen the mold, we gotta get rid of it. That might help with the smell a little bit. Plus, I'm just gonna throw my other seats in here. We gotta get these shitty ass seats out of here. Ugh. What we're gonna need right now is a 14 mil. It doesn't matter the size. I prefer to use these long ones now just to get it out the way. Like butter. I also wanna make a disclaimer. You can do this however you wanna do it. I'm just showing you my preference. There are also 2 more in the back, located right here and right here. Same thing, 14 mil, knock them out. Some Z's, depending on when you have it, if you've already owned it, if they kept it in a clean condition, never fucked with the seats or anything, they'll have these little plastic black pieces up there. You can save them, you can keep them, do whatever you want. I really don't care.
If you like this little devil, he is one of the most precious little creatures that you could ever imagine. And I had the opportunity.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Z owners, don't forget to take out your seatbelts. Your seatbelt sensors. I sure as hell forgot. But now, as you can see, look at it. Oh, disgusting, dude. All of this needs to go. I did this like 2 years ago with the gray one, but to see it come together in a different form in this car is gonna be so much better. I'm noticing like a little more gremlins and stuff along the way. I pretty much am just stripping the full interior at this point. I was just gonna do just the seats, but I'm alternating back and forth. One seat is already off. We're gonna put the other seat out as well. I don't know what exactly I have in plan for today. I just want to get as much of this refresh as I could. So here is it now. All the seats are out. The carpet's even bad on the passenger side too. Yeah, I'm just gonna rip it out, vacuum it out, rip it out, and ship it out. This shit is real. It is dirty, but it doesn't matter. We got a clean one we're about to throw in.
1 hour later.